Hey guys, today I'm gonna be making some oh my gosh, sorry. Today I'm gonna be making some soba, I think that's what they're called. Soba noodles. They're like something like bulldog noodles, like a twin of bulldog noodles. So yeah. So I'm gonna get a bowl. So just give me a minute. So I've got a bowl. I need to put water. I'm going to put water in the kettle. Anyways, don't mind about that. You can put as much water as you want. You can put as much water as you want. It doesn't matter. So I am not gonna So it should be at least like, it's not supposed to be up at 6. It should be at 4, but I just put it at 6 just in case I make something with it. Anyways, yeah, so like I was gonna munch watermelons, but I decided not to, but yeah. So I'm gonna do some answer questions on my MacBook. On my MacBook, and yeah. I'm gonna answer some questions like while cooking and stuff. Not the actual cooking, but like at least making noodles. So I'm just like So I'm just reading some. So first question is, how do I grow my channel? Well, I post most of the time, but this year I haven't been posting this much. It's because like I've been busy with work and stuff, like working and school. I haven't got money yet from YouTube, so I'm just gonna send YouTube a thing about that. What are the best video settings? Well, I haven't used video settings, but I have a popular video on my YouTube account and the Roblox is it's playing Dandy's World again. I don't know how many views it got, so I'm gonna check on YouTube how many views it got in total this year. I need to add the noodle thing. For the water bits in, it's almost about to finish. That's why I'm adding it. So this is the sauce. It's very spicy, by the way. Not very spicy. And I just started loving spicy stuff this year. I've changed since from the last year. I never used to like spicy stuff, you know? I never used to like spicy stuff. So I'm gonna be my channel. We also got new nails. It has got 65 views. I'm just like making some noodles. Don't mind me making some noodles for myself. But that's the whole video. yeah, that's the whole video. And yeah. Oh my gosh. That almost looked like it went into the kettle. I'm trying to break it in half like how I usually do, but it's not letting me. The more I break it, I was like watching the Caterpillar Sisters. I don't love them like in love. Well, I love them, but not like in like a dating way. I'm gonna be doing some school questions. I'm gonna be doing question themes. So fun questions. I don't know how to say it. Never have I ever played hockey from school or work. No, I don't like, for some reason I don't like hockey. I'm more of a netball fan. Anyways, I have a netball match on Tuesday for school. I have a netball match school on Tuesday. Never have I ever stolen anything. No, I haven't stolen anything before. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get a plate to cover because I like my noodles other ways too. So I sometimes like my noodles from the microwave, but this time I'm gonna make my noodles with a dish. Anyways, we're gonna continue with the ever questions while this sets. I'm gonna bring some cheese too. Never have I ever missed a flight. No, I've never missed a flight before. I've never missed a flight before, but my dad has missed a flight before. Yeah. Yeah, my dad has missed a flight before. Never have I ever drunk. No, I've never been drunk.
This is a reminder. Switch off.
I was doing it to switch off the heating because in the UK it's very like cold. I've switched on the heating, so yeah. So have I ever drove a motorcycle? No. Never have I ever lost a bet? No. Never have I ever gotten lost in a foreign country? No. Have I ever bribed someone? Yeah. Never have I ever got skinny dipping? No. Never got skinny dipping. Never have I ever. Okay, wait. My friend's sending me pictures. Never have I ever cheated on someone. No. I've never cheated on someone. I've never cheated on anyone in my life. Please tell me. Okay, good. We have cheese. I'm making my soba noodles with cheese. It's expiring today, but I'm eating it. What time does it expire? Oh, so it doesn't expire if it's in the fridge. Okay, that's good. But my bestie is sending me messages, even though I'm telling her I'm filming a video. So, yeah. Eat it up, eat it up. I need to get a chair to reach that. Never have I ever sang karaoke. I love karaoke. I even have a karaoke mic. I have a mic. And yeah. I have a mic and stuff. And yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just so short. Bestie. Yeah. Never have I ever lived alone. No. Haven't started living alone yet. Never have I. No, I skipped one. Never have I ever broken a bone. I've broken a bone. Like, I've broken a bone before. I broke like my arm. I've broken my bones 2 times. I broke my arm. In like first grade, yeah. I fell off the equipment, like those monkey bars, yeah, but like they're lower. So I was walking on top of them because there's 2 ways you can walk on top of them. Then there's a rail to hold, or you can walk on the bottom of them. So I was walking. Then it was like on a rainy day. I don't know why the teachers let us even go on the equipment. Then all of a sudden, I'm losing my balance. I'm losing my balance, and I'm losing my balance. It's like I'm about to faint or something. And like, then I fall through the hole. Then my head hit the ground. Bam. I pass out. Well, not really pass out, but like I get a concussion or something. Or I pass out. When I wake up, I'm in the hospital. I'm busy looking around. My mom's sitting next to me crying. I sit up and I see something's on my arm. I move my arm and I see a cast on my arm. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I broke both of them on the same day. And yeah, so yeah, I've broken a bone. Never have I ever lived alone. No, well, it's kind of like Home Alone. Yeah, my parents, like, no, not really. No, I haven't. But I stayed home alone while my parents went night shift. Have I ever been on the yard? Yes, I have. For my mom's friend's daughter's birthday. Have I ever been? Oh yes, I have been on TV before, but like the thing got shut down. I don't know why. Have I ever? No, I haven't been on a blind date. Have I ever lied to law enforcement? Have I ever? No. Haven't ever got a tattoo? No. Have I ever used a big ID? No. Have I ever broken up with someone? No. Have I ever gotten seriously hungover? Never have I ever used someone's toothbrush. No. Haven't ever. Oh no! But my friend would say yes to that. So, well, it was like right after we went to Japan. We went to we're coming back from Tokyo. It's the next day. Let me tell you the day. So we're walking to Tokyo. My mom's going to check out our bags. I'm walking with my friend next to me. Then we're standing there to check our passports to come to let us exit. Then I suddenly lose my balance. And I'm listening, and I'm on my headphones. Let me show you which songs I was. Let me and this is the song I'm listening to. It's an ad. This is an ad, y'all. This is an ad I'm watching now. It's an ad. I wasn't actually listening to this. It was on Apple Music. but I don't have Apple Music on my laptop, so that's why I'm using YouTube. This is the song. Wait. This is the song I was listening before I fainted. Let me tell you the song I was listening to when I was still on the floor. This is what I'm listening to when I'm on the ground. I'm like, why did I faint? It's like, I'm getting. And I'm like, no, this cannot be happening. I don't even have my my makeup on. I'm like, oh no, I don't even have my makeup on. Then my head hits the ground. Boom. And this is the song I was listening to. I was listening to Internet Girl from Cat's Eye when I fainted on the ground. And this is all I heard. I heard eat zucchini. And I'm just lying there, like nothing happened. I'm like lying there, I'm like no. Then my head hits the ground, boom. And yeah, okay guys, I'm coming back.